We all want to make money with some fastest and easiest ways, and one of them is Clickbank. Unlike traditional affiliate platforms, Clickbank serves as a marketplace for both people who create products and affiliates, so they can make money together without complex paperwork or agreements. In other words, Clickbank is the middleman between creators of digital products such as ebooks, video, music, and so on, and people who can sell those products, for example, affiliate marketers. Most affiliate marketers know about Clickbank and know how to make money with Clickbank. And if you don't know how to make money with Clickbank, I'll explain how you can make $500 a day with Clickbank. I will tell you secret methods of making money with Clickbank step by step. Before you dive into the video, make sure you subscribe to Recession Money and press that bell icon. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. A product marketplace for affiliates. As an affiliate marketer, you can jump right in, create your unique affiliate links for thousands of products, and start to drive traffic right away to start making money. You can also see your earnings in real time. It's free to join and there's no screening process, no cap or complicated metrics. It's basically a simplified affiliate network, open to anyone that wants to give it a shot. In case you want to try it out, simply go register on their homepage. Upon joining Clickbank, you'll be provided with a quick onboarding session. After that, you must complete your Clickbank profile. It is highly mandatory as it proves that you are here for genuine business purposes. It also builds a sense of trust in the eyes of your affiliates. At the bottom of your profile section, you will find a Let's Optimize Your Performance section that asks you about the purpose of signing up on Clickbank. Here are the given choices. Sell physical products. Sell digital products. Promote products as an affiliate. Promote products as an influencer. And do market research. Choose the one that best suits your purpose. You also have to tell them about your annual revenue. Since you are just starting out, you can choose the 0 to 25K option. Number 2. Important metrics to remember. After creating your affiliate or seller accounts, you know the important metrics and terminologies used in Clickbank. These metrics hold significant importance as some of them are the prime factors in choosing the right product for affiliate promotion. Here are some of the Clickbank terminologies. Offer. The offer in Clickbank constitutes a package of multiple products or the same products but with different versions. The offer is presented to buyers at different levels, i.e. front end, upsell, or downsell. Affiliate page. The affiliate page is similar to a landing page, but on this page, the vendor mentions all the details about his product or offer. Also, this page encourages affiliates to sign up for the affiliate promotion of the corresponding offer. Affiliate support contact. If you are a seller, you must provide a support contact so that affiliates can get in touch with you for more resources or more details about the offer. Initial sale. This metric will tell you how much affiliate commission you will earn in dollars if you manage to sell the front end product of an offer. Average sale. It represents the average commission earned by the affiliate if he manages to sell all the products, front end, upsells, downsells, etc. of an offer or sales funnel. Average sale percentage. This metric tells you about the average commission percentage set by the vendor for his offer. Average rebill total. This metric is applicable only for products with recurring billing cycle. It tells you about the average commission earned by an affiliate from the recurring billing of his affiliate sales. Gravity. It tells you about a rough number of affiliates that have managed to successfully promote the offer or product. CAT. It is a short form of the word category and resembles the category of the offer or products. Number 3. Finding the right product on Clickbank. How to pick the right product to promote. One of the best ways to make money with Clickbank is to start as an affiliate promoting pages that have already been optimized in order to build your sales funnels. Much like keyword research for SEO, picking the right product to promote on Clickbank is extremely important. No matter how good you are at promoting, if you drive traffic to a sales page that doesn't sell, you will not make any money. Number 4. Talking about digital marketing strategies. The sole purpose of them is to drive to a particular destination like a landing page, sales page, pricing page, etc. And from there on, you encourage them to take the necessary action like product purchase, sign up, etc. Now, there are 2 types of promotional or marketing strategies based on invested money that you can use. Free marketing strategies include SEO, video marketing, influencer marketing, etc. And paid marketing strategies include promotion via a custom landing page, social media marketing, search engine marketing, pay-per-click ads, etc. Number 5. Search engine optimization or SEO. Most of the experienced affiliate marketers have started their journey by creating search engine optimized blogs on their affiliate products. Now, before jumping in and start writing the blog, I would advise you to find long tail keywords with low SEO competition. This ensures getting traction in a very short period of time. Coming back to the strategy. With the relevant keywords at your disposal, you can begin your blog drafting process. Here's how you can create different types of blogs, such as list-based articles. This type of blog allows you to add multiple affiliate products in a single blog. In this type of blog, you can pick a general popular product and list its alternatives. Review-based articles. This version of the blog allows you to pick just a single affiliate product and write an in-depth review on it. Tutorials or guides. You can also write the step-by-step process required to efficiently use a particular product. For example, after this, you'd have to patiently wait for these blogs to grow and start yielding profits for you. Don't forget to add your affiliate links in your blogs. Well, that wraps up our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our future uploads. We'll see you all next time. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.